How to use ManyChat on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily use ManyChat for your Instagram. So make sure you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. Now these days, whenever you were scrolling your Instagram, you see a reel that is saying that if you comment XYZ in the comment section, you are going to get a link in your DMs. And now you must be wondering how they are doing so. Well, they are doing that with the help of this tool that says ManyChat. So I will put the link of it down in the description so you can use that link and you will be landed on the official website of manychat.com. Now once you are on the official website of ManyChat, you just have to first hover over to the products section where you will be able to see Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS and some of the other integrations that you can connect ManyChat with some of your favorite tools as well. Here if you go to the solutions, then it will show you that it is very helpful for the businesses like creators, e-commerce agencies and restaurants. Here if you hover over to the pricing section and if you click on it, then you will be landed on this page where you will be able to see that with their free plan you can get started with access to ManyChat basic features to engage up to 1000 contacts free of charge. So basically with their free plan you can reach up to 1000 contacts, but if you want to do for more or unlimited, then you need to go for their pro plan or for their premium plan as well. So for this video I'm going to start with the free plans and I would also recommend you to go with the free plan first. And now once you get used to ManyChat, you can go for their premium plan as well. So in order to create your account on it, you just have to click on this get started button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will be landed on this sign up page where it will show you Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp and Telegram. So basically the application on which you can integrate ManyChat. So as you want to integrate it with our Instagram account, you simply need to click on the Instagram account. Then it will ask you to continue with your Facebook account. So you simply need to click on continue with Facebook. Then you will be able to see this type of pop-up in front of you where you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your Facebook account that is associated with your Instagram account. After that, you just have to connect your Instagram account with it after clicking on the connect button, and then it will show you congratulations, your account is now connected. So here you just have to click on the next button and then it will ask you to choose the plan. So as you want to go with the free plan, so you will have to click on start with the free plan. Then you just have to follow these details. Basically you need to provide these details over here and then click on the next button. Now once you do this, the dashboard of your ManyChat account will look something like this, where if you click on the home page, so this will be basically your home page. Now over here if you click on the contacts button, then you will be able to see this contact section where you can either create a new contact or you can even import the SMS or the email marketing channels, and you can use ManyChat in order to send comments and DMs to them automatically. Here you will be able to see this automation section. So this is the section with the help we are going to use ManyChat in order to send the comments on our Instagram account. So over here if you want to create a new automation, then you simply need to click on the new automation tab. After doing so, it will show you some of the recommended templates that could power up your Instagram account. So you can either choose any of the templates as you want, or you can start from scratch by clicking on the top right hand corner of the screen. If you don't want it to show the templates, then you can check this box, and after that you just have to select the template that you don't want to see again. So after selecting any of the templates, you just have to click on the setup template option. Then it will show you this type of section in front of you where you will have to basically provide these two options. First is of the trigger section, so you will have to click on new trigger, and once you do this it will show you your Instagram and some of the triggers. So basically you can add when your user clicks an Instagram ad, then you can send the message to that, but this is the pro feature, so basically you cannot use it with the free plan. Next we have the option of when the user comments on your post or reel, when user reply to your story, when user click a referral link, or when user send a message, when user comments on your live. So basically if you want to put this comments tab into the reel and the post, then you just have to select the second option then you will be able to see this type of section in front of you. Basically, you will be able to see all of the reels that are posted on your page. So you just have to select that particular reel on which you want to integrate this comment feature. After selecting that reel, you just have to press the continue button. Once done, it will ask you define the specific keywords that would be your triggered keyword. So in this section, you just have to enter the keyword. Let's say I want to enter key. Then you can also add some of the associated keywords relating to it, like keyword or some other related keywords. After that, you just have to scroll down and then you just have to click on the continue button in the bottom. Then it will ask, would you like to set up public reply in the feeds? So if you want, then you can select any of the options over here, or you can even add your own reply. So if you click on new replies, then you just have to provide the reply. So after this, you just have to click on the yes button if you want, or you can even click on the no button if you don't want this feature. Then you just have to click on the save button. Now once you do this, it will show you that your changes are saved. Now if you want to edit it more, then you can click on the edit button and you can change your post by clicking on this all post option, and you can select any other post that you want. Then we have this reply in the DMs option. So if you want to customize it, then you simply need to click on this option, and from here you can customize the text. By default there will be hi, thanks for your comment, and here is the link of getting started. So if you want to change it, then you can even change it by clicking on this section. If you want to add any button into it, then you simply need to click on add button, and from here you can first change the title of your button, and after that you can choose any of these applications over here that you want to add as a button. Here you will also be able to see this little link icon. So if you click on this link, here you can change the button title. After that, in the website URL, you just have to provide the link of that website where you want to redirect your audience. If you want to remove it, then you can click on the remove button and you just have to press done. Once you do this, you will be able to see the changes that are happening in this section in the real time. Now once you are done with all of your changes, you can click on this preview button in order to preview how it will look in the DMs. If you want to set it live, then you just have to click on the set live button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you just have to click on the set live button, and then it will show you that your automation is now live. So you can go to triggers, and here you will be able to see all of your triggers. So this is how you can easily start using ManyChat on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.